Welcome to Echoes of Africa, where Africa's voice never fades. Today we explore the deep wisdom behind some of Africa's most powerful proverbs. Let us walk gently through the teachings of our ancestors. First, when the roots are deep, there is no reason to fear the wind. This reminds us that strong values and purpose make us resilient against life's challenges. Next, if you want to go fast, go alone. You want to go far, go together. This highlights the incredible power of unity and mutual support. Another profound one. A child who is not embraced by the village will burn it down to feel its warmth. This shows the deep need for community, love, and guidance. African proverbs are more than old sayings. They are lessons crafted through generations, guiding us to become better. Thank you for watching Echoes of Africa. If these words touched your heart, kindly subscribe and join us on this journey. Echoes of Africa, where Africa's voice never fades.